Now you can buy and use RTA bus passes on your phone. Here's how. First, you'll need to download the Token Transit app. To do that, visit tokentransit.com/app or text the word token to 41411. You'll get a text message with a link to download the app to your device. Now, go ahead and create your account. Simply open the app and follow the prompts. You'll need to enter your phone number and allow Token Transit to access your location to provide the best service. Since you're an RTA customer, select Riverside Transit Agency from the list of local transit agencies. Time to buy passes. Choose the type of pass you want to purchase, from a single ride to a 30-day pass. From there, confirm your order and make your payment. All your passes will be stored on your phone until it's time to use them. If you need a reduced fare bus pass, just contact RTA to get authorization before making your purchase. Now you're ready to ride. Before you board, tap on the pass you want to activate. Wait for the ticket to display on your screen and place your phone over the validator. When you hear a beep, you're good to go. Time to sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. And with Token Transit, you can see how much time you have left on your pass. Get more passes. Check out your payment history. And get customer service right from your phone. So say goodbye to paper passes and hello to a better way to ride. Welcome aboard.